Good day, my name is Matthijs Pinaar, Matt for short, and welcome to MJP Music Writer. Today I'm going to show you how you can rapidly improve your orchestration with just one simple tip. Which one of these cars do you believe a new learner driver should use to learn how to drive? I know which one I would love, but would it be wise to start with the bottom one? I probably don't think so. So now you have all these instruments in your orchestra or in your band, and you want to write for all of them. Do you really know how to write for all of them properly? I'm here to help you, to show you one simple tip how you can learn, and it's simpler than you think. So when you practice a new instrument, you're learning how to play a new instrument. Do you repeat the pieces over and over and over and over until you can play them? Or do you do the scales and the technical exercises to learn the instrument and to master the technique that's required to do the piece? You know the simple answer to that. Now why don't you do the same here? Start here, guys. Start here. Do a brass quintet. You may think this is easy. It isn't, because you only have 5 instruments now to use. From these 5 instruments, you want a melody, probably a counter melody or a harmony, and you want your harmonic rhythm, and you want a bass line. You'll quickly find this is harder. But this will teach you the technique how to write for a bigger ensemble. The same with the woodwind quintet. And the woodwind quintet and the brass quintet, both 5, they're not the same. And you will find that very quickly. There are numerous ensembles you can try. And if you're a woodwind player, work on the brass ones. If you're a brass player, work on the woodwind ones, because you want to learn the instrument that's the hardest for you. Pick the groups that are difficult for you to write for, what you need to get to the instruments. And this is how you will learn. And this is a simple tip, guys, but this is very important. I will do that. I will do some follow-along videos. I will do some of these so you can see what I do and how I approach them. But once you get them and you get them under a knee, then you'll understand you have the skill to try one of the bigger orchestras, one of the bigger ensembles. Simple as that. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to give you more short tips and videos in future. My goal is to help you become a better arranger and orchestrator. This is Matt, signing off.